Meaning of financing.
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 Financing. Financing refers to the act of providing funds for a business, project, or individual. This type of funding can come from various sources, including banks, investors, and government organizations. The ultimate goal of financing is to provide the necessary capital for the recipient to achieve their objectives, whether that involves starting a new business, expanding an existing one, or pursuing personal goals. Without financing, many businesses and individuals would not be able to achieve their goals, making it an essential aspect of modern economic activity.